I'm gonna laminate my eyebrows at home. So the package comes with everything of this. I'm just gonna kind of go over the area, apply it just kind of like that. Okay, now it says to use number, so we're just gonna all over. I'm gonna try to set brows into the shape I want. Wow, I can really feel the glue. Okay, I think that's the shape. Okay, I think that's pretty even. 8 minutes. I'm gonna start removing it because of the top on. I don't want to leave it on too long. I'm just gonna put some on a cotton pad and start the brows. So I'm gonna apply that all over. And yeah, that's pretty much it. There is a little bit of, but my skin isn't sensitive, so I'm confident that it's gonna be fine. This is a close-up of the brows. My brows are sisters, not twins. But overall, I think this was like really easy.